This is the ROG Strix XG32UQ. Now I'm just opening the box and ended up with a paper cut and it bloody hurt. This is a 32-inch 4K 160Hz gaming monitor that promises elite performance. So we got a power adapter out of the box. Comes with very clean packaging. This is a free case, and inside it contains a lot of free cables. So let's have a look, see what cables we've got. So we have the Europe plug, which we don't use in the UK. Comes also with a lead I've never seen before. Maybe it goes on to the PS5, I don't know. This is a DisplayPort lead. This one is the ultra high speed HDMI cable. Comes with a mounting bolt, so when you put it up on the wall or monitor arms. Comes with screws. And also silicone gel, which you do not use. Comes also with a page full of stickers. And also instructions. So this is inside, and this is the base of the stand. It's well packed, and the build quality is looking really good. Let me just take these bits of plastic off. Right, so this is the, if I can get in the bag. These are the backing plates for the stand once you fitted it onto the LCD screen. Now this is very heavy. This is the stand itself, and the quality is really good. Look at that. So it also comes with a camera place, so you can put your camera on top. So that's pretty snazzy. This is a UK plug. So this is the back of the monitor. And we're gonna start putting it together. So we've got the stand, and you just put it inside like that. Now it has got 4 screws, so I'll quickly do this. Okay, we are nearly finished putting the last screw in, and now it's time to put the base onto the arm. Now, this is quite firm, so you have to put some force into it. And then you have got 2 nuts at the back with wings, so you can just turn them by hand, which is very good. So just make sure they're both tight. And this is the back of the monitor, and I have to say that the design is lovely. So you have got 2 bits of tape here which we'll take off, and there is a panel opening here, and you can put your cables, so you can hide some of your cables. So this is the front of the monitor, and you have got a sticker what you can peel off. Well, I would definitely peel off. Quite easy to do, just be careful you don't damage the screen. So now we're putting the back brackets on, the back covers, and they just click into place. And there you go, guys. That is the screen done, and it does go up and down, perfect, and also it has got tilt. So that is how you basically put this monitor together. And here it is, guys, all up and running. We just got Fall Guys started, and the colors. Now we are zooming in, and you've got to admit, the quality is brilliant. I have to say, I'm impressed. Very crisp, very clean. 160 hertz. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.